English. If you are planning a bathroom renovation, kitchen remodel, room addition, garage conversion, or any project that changes the layout of your home, the first professional step is determining whether drawings, engineering, or permits are required. At Choice Contractors USA, the process begins with a consultation. First, contact our team and explain what you want to build or remodel. Provide the property address, clear photos, a basic description, and any sketch you may have. Your sketch does not need to be professional. It only needs to communicate your idea. If available, also provide old plans, a property survey, previous permits, inspection reports, product information, or HOA requirements. Next, we schedule a property visit. During the appointment, our field specialist reviews the project with you and confirms exactly what you want to accomplish. We document the existing conditions, take photographs, identify visible problems, and measure the areas affected by the work. For many projects, measuring only the kitchen or bathroom is not enough. We may need to measure surrounding rooms, hallways, doors, windows, ceiling heights, walls, plumbing fixtures, electrical locations, mechanical equipment, and other parts of the home that affect the design. These measurements allow the drafting and engineering team to prepare an accurate existing floor plan. After the property visit, the information is organized into the proposed design. The drawings may show the existing layout, demolition work, new walls, room dimensions, cabinets, fixtures, plumbing, electrical items, doors, windows, structural details, and the written scope of work. You will then review the proposed layout. This is the time to request reasonable revisions and confirm that the drawings represent your project correctly. If the project affects structural walls, beams, columns, foundations, roof framing, or other engineered components, the responsible licensed professional reviews the design and prepares the required structural information. Final engineering documents are signed and sealed when required. Once the drawing package is complete, it can be prepared for submission to the appropriate city or county. The building department may approve the plans or request corrections. If comments are issued, the drawings are revised and resubmitted. After the permit is approved, construction can begin according to the approved plans. Required inspections are then scheduled during the project. The best way to reduce delays is to provide complete information, make design decisions early, and avoid changing the scope after drawings are completed. Start your project with clear documentation and professional coordination. Visit justsmartchoice.com or call 727-755-3786 to schedule your consultation.